Google page indexing blocked by robots.txt issues. What they are, how to fix it. Also keep in mind that I'm creating a new playlist on YouTube, as well as new blog post covering all page indexing problems. So let's go and look at blocked by robots.txt file. First, simply visit your website and take a look at robots.txt by simply placing robots.txt after your domain name. There you will see a file like this. Search console page indexing problems are then related to this. How to fix it? There is two ways. One, you can actually delete this file from your web server, or remove the blocking. The simplest way is because this is to do with crawling, right? If you've submitted the correct sitemap to Search Console, right, and if you are not familiar with what's going on with robots.txt directives, then perhaps you should just remove it, because it's to do with controlling crawling of Google. Okay, so now since most websites are set up different, let's imagine you're using Shopify and robots.txt problems are occurring in Search Console. Then you're looking here and you can't see the file. That's because that's automatically generated, meaning some content management systems automatically generate this file. So then if you want to fix problems for auto-generated robots.txt file, you can log into your web hosting account, find the website installation directory and create a text file, and simply name it just a notepad file, call it robots.txt, and in there just say user agent, let's say all, allow, and that's it. Like so. User agent allow, and that's it. And then upload that file to your web server. That's going to remove the blocking for Google to access your website. So that's one way. As in, if you can't see that file on your web server, then easiest way is to just create it so that you can see it, and then let Google allow Google to access your site, so this problem won't occur. Okay. Also, the feed URL for most content management systems may cause problems. That's actually not a problem per se. So when you're exploring the reports, you can press on example URLs, and here it's actually showing us what's blocking, right? So in my website, there's a line here that's blocking Google. So in my scenario, that's okay, because it's just a feed URL. There's nothing unique there, right? And these feed URLs are not in the sitemap anyway. So to maintain your website Search Console property, the best thing that you can do is submit the correct sitemap. Now let's inspect the URL by using inspect URL inspection tool. And here it's saying page is not indexed because it's blocked by robots.txt, and we now know what that is on our website. Here Google cannot fetch the problem URL because it's blocked by robots. As I've said, to fix it, simply either remove the rule, and if you can't see this file on your web server, then it means it's auto-generated, and then next option is to upload that file by simply creating a file and just have this rule in it, and that will allow Google to access your website. Allow, let's say, colon. That's the format. And let's go and let me show you some other tips and insights. Let's remove that. What else we can do when we look at the reports? Blocked by robots.txt. For feed URLs, or you may have an e-commerce site that has, let's imagine, product variants. So that could actually be okay because you don't want Google to index product URLs, because you want Google to index the correct URLs, which are your products, not the variants. So then let's press on the example, and here it's showing me what's actually causing the problem on the right hand side. This is the latest Search Console reporting, because previously Google didn't have this. Then here it says open robots.txt report. It's saying, well, that's the file. Now once you make your updates, then you can actually request a recrawl. Remember, robots.txt file is related to crawling process, and that is how you fix robots.txt issues.